If you want to fix a Chrome security vulnerability quickly and safely, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to update Chrome, strengthen its security settings, and clean up anything suspicious that could put your browser at risk. This is one of those important maintenance tasks that every Chrome user should know, because outdated browser versions and unknown extensions can leave your device exposed to threats. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. First, let's force the security update in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome on your computer, then go to the top right corner and click the 3 vertical dots to open the menu. From that menu, hover over Help and then click About Google Chrome. The moment you open this page, Chrome will automatically check for updates. If a security patch is available, it will begin downloading right away. This is important because Chrome often uses this page to push critical fixes that protect you from newly discovered vulnerabilities. Wait for the download to finish completely. Once it's done, you'll see a Relaunch button. Click Relaunch to restart the browser and apply the update. This step activates the latest protections and makes sure your browser is running the most secure version available. After updating, the next thing you should do is turn on Chrome's enhanced security settings. This helps reduce your exposure to future exploits and dangerous websites. To do that, open Chrome Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and select Security. Inside that menu, look for Safe Browsing. Change the setting to Enhanced Protection. This gives you real-time, proactive defense against phishing sites, malware, and suspicious downloads. It's one of the best built-in protections Chrome offers, and enabling it only takes a few seconds. Now let's clean up vulnerable vectors inside your browser. A lot of security issues come from extensions people forget they installed, or from add-ons they no longer recognize. To review them, click the 3 dots in the top right corner again, hover over Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. On this page, carefully review every extension installed in Chrome. If you see anything you do not recognize, do not use anymore, or no longer trust, remove it completely. Just click Remove and confirm the action. The goal here is to keep your browser as minimal and trusted as possible, because unnecessary extensions can sometimes create security risks or track your activity. Once you've finished updating Chrome, enabling enhanced protection, and removing suspicious extensions, your browser should be much better protected. These simple steps can make a big difference when it comes to staying safe online. If this tutorial helped you fix your Chrome security vulnerability, please like the video and subscribe for more practical tech tips, browser fixes, and security guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.